Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing a massive Ulta haul. I got so much things from Ulta that I want to share with you guys. If you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff that I have bought from Ulta recently. I bought a couple of my staples that I love, and I bought some new stuff as well. But before I show you guys what I bought from Ulta, I just wanted to welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love all things beauty related. This channel is mostly a makeup subscription unboxing channel, but because I love makeup, hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup, I do lots of makeup hauls on my channel. I also do makeup collection haul videos as well. So if you like things like that, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel and become part of my YouTube family. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. If you guys want to see what I got, it's about to happen right now. So without further ado, let's see what I got from my Ulta haul. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm super excited about that I've been dying to try, but I didn't want to use it until I unveiled everything on my channel, was this lovely palette. I actually collect all the Too Faced, like all of these palettes. So I have like the chocolate one, I have the peach one. Like I collect all of these palettes, so I had to get it. I had to. So let's see what the palette looks like. And let's see if it smells like pumpkin spice. So I love like the box. This is what the palette looks like. So this is not, it's new, but it's not like fairly new. I should have did like this haul a long time ago to show you guys, but I had so much makeup subscription boxes and I wanted to just get those out faster. So finally I got a chance to show you guys my haul. So let's do the test to see if it smells like pumpkin. So the bottle is very big. This is 118 ml, a 4-ounce bottle. So this is going to last me a very long time. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good. So it'll dilute whatever scent that you have if it's too pungent. So that's the second thing I bought. And then, I don't know about you guys, but like, I used to buy like the Philosophy like shower gels because you can use them for your hair, you can use them for your body, and you can use them for bubble bath. Well, Ulta sells them as well, where it's like a 3-in-1. So, I'm going to try theirs out. I normally use a Philosophy one, but this one is around the same price and you get a lot more. So I'm going to test these out. And of course I can't just buy, I couldn't decide on one scent. So I got 3 different scents. I love the smell of pineapples and I love the smell of bananas. So I got a pineapple anise. How do you say that? Pineapple, hold on, anise? I think it's supposed to say bananas but without the B. Then I got watermelon melon. This thing is so big. I'm sure you guys can tell from like looking at it on the screen. These are huge, so they're gonna last me a very long time. And then this is by the brand Whim by Ulta Beauty. This one is key lime. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. So that's the key lime one. And they're huge. This is like a huge bottle. So, have lots of bubble bath, shower gel, and shampoo for a very long time. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is, I just kind of fell in love with the hairline pattern. The owner pattern is Diana Ross's daughter. And I think I got a sample of something. And then the stuff was just so good that, like, I ended up buying, like, practically the whole line. Look at this. Oh, and I have her brush too. I have the pattern brush too. Hold on, I'm not lying. Let me go get it so you guys can see. Okay, so this is my pattern brush. And you can see there's still, like, hair in here. So you know I'm not lying. I really do, like, use it. But yeah. So, the stuff is supposed to be for, like, curly to textured hair. But my hair is sensitive if your hair can be sensitive. I know skincare can be sensitive. Like, your skin can be sensitive. But I feel like my hair is sensitive because most gels or hair products I put in my hair makes my hair break or split. But the pattern stuff doesn't bother my hair at all, which is very rare. So when I find something good that doesn't, like, make my hair break, then I'm buying the whole line. So she has, like, a brush that you can use to comb down your baby hairs. It comes in a cool little thing like so, with the brush to comb down your little, you know, get those edges going. We got a little brush. This is what it looks like. Then, I haven't tried this. It says Jojoba Oil Hair Serum Self-Heating Packs. So I have to try these bad boys out. I think you get 3 of them in here. Heats up in 3 minutes. Pull the strip and let the magic happen. Moisture boost for hair and scalp. Oh, it's only 2 packs in here. So that's that. And then the thing that made me fall in love, my first thing that I purchased from this line was the Stronghold Gel. And then after I tried the Stronghold Gel, I wanted to use, like, the Edge Control. The Edge Control leaves your hair, like, very stiff down. And then the styling cream I didn't like that much. It's like a white paste, but they said it's more for, like, doing, like, locks and stuff like that, which I don't use. So I don't like this one. This is the only thing that I don't really use, but I don't like to return stuff. So I'll keep it for something else. I'll figure out what to use it for. But love, love, love the pattern line. Very, very nice line. The next thing I bought is, I don't like to use a lot of deodorants if they have, like, aluminum in it, titanium, or anything like that. They say that it can give you, like, breast cancer. So this brand, Mega Babe, it has no aluminum and no parabens. This is what it looks like. And it says Rosy Pits because it smells like roses. What I like about this deodorant is I've tried a lot of, like, clean deodorants. Like, I tried the Kapari deodorant. That brand's very popular. But all those clean deodorants that don't have aluminum and don't have titanium in it, I feel like when you, like, it doesn't help, like, like, with musk if you smell. I'm not saying that I smell or anything like that, but it doesn't really do the job as deodorant. They're very, like, mild. So, and you still, like, feel like you still sweat. If that makes any sense, I really can't explain it. But, like, I've tried a lot of, like, clean deodorants that didn't have, like, the aluminum in it. And I just felt like they didn't really do nothing for me. So I was like, let me try the Mega Babe. And I love that it actually, like, works. You use this, but it doesn't, you don't get, like, sweaty. It doesn't help. It helps with, like, reducing sweat. And you won't, like, if you go to the gym and you wear this, you won't smell. If you go to the gym and try to use the other deodorant, you will smell. Not that I try, I'm just saying, but luckily for me, like, I don't perspire too much. But, I mean, if I do, I know which deodorant to use. So, yeah, that's it. That's everything I got from my haul. My favorite thing I'm excited about is trying this palette out. I wanted this palette so badly, so this was like my fun thing. The hair stuff is just, you know, hair stuff, but you gotta get them and replenish. But this was like my favorite thing that I'm gonna try to probably wear it tomorrow. So that is my haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my Ulta haul. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you just want to support me or you just want to show me love and support. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, subscribe, and become part of my YouTube family. And if you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Alrighty guys, so that is it. That concludes the ending of my Ulta haul. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.